In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update PHP on Hostinger. Updating your PHP version is crucial for maintaining the performance, security, and compatibility of your website. It's a task that many website owners need to tackle occasionally, but it doesn't have to be daunting. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you have a clear and easy path to follow. First things first, let's start by logging into your Hostinger panel. If you're not familiar with this interface, it's the control panel where you manage various aspects of your hosting account. You'll need your login credentials at hand, which you should have received when you set up your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. This is your command center where you can access different features and settings for your websites. Next up, you'll need to navigate to the Websites section in your panel. Here, you will see a list of all your hosted sites. Find the website you want to update and then look for the Manage option located right next to it. Clicking on Manage will take you to a page with a variety of settings specifically for that site. It's essential to select the right website if you manage multiple, as these changes will affect the chosen site. Now that you're in the management area for your site, head over to the sidebar. You'll see either a PHP configuration option directly or under the Advanced tab. This is where all PHP-related configurations are housed. If you're having trouble finding it, just scan for anything PHP-related under these sections. Once you've reached the PHP configuration settings, it's time to select the PHP version you'd like to use. Version updates are listed, such as 8.2, which might be the latest option available depending on when you're watching this video. It's a good idea to choose the most recent stable version for optimal performance and security enhancements. With your desired PHP version selected, you'll proceed by clicking Update. The update process is quite swift. Typically, the changes apply within a few minutes. It's also important to note that these updates will affect all websites under your hosting plan. As a result, if you have multiple sites, they will all receive the benefits and changes this update entails. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully updated your PHP version on Hostinger. Always remember that keeping your PHP version up to date ensures your websites are secure and run efficiently. Thank you for tuning in to this guide. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips.